I'm staying in bed thinking back on us and everything that went wrong. Never said goodbye, think I broke your trust. Should've known this all along. Don't wanna be the one that you're trying to avoid. I'm feeling so confused, why did I act so annoyed? 'Cause I don't wanna be strangers, baby. The next time when we meet, and oh, it dawned on me. What we had was gold, and you gotta know I was standing on the border. The walls around me kept me safe. I couldn't see that I was shutting you out. I was stuck up and proud, but I'm waking up now. I didn't know that I need you. I'm waking up now. You gotta know that I need you. Up, but it's time for me to be dropping down my defense. I realize I wasn't there for real. What I did didn't make any sense. How can I get you close? I see why you'd be so cold, but you need to forget everything that I've told you. 'Cause I ain't playing it low-key, baby.
Good morning, peeps. Good evening, good afternoon from beautiful Grand Cayman. Yeah. And if it's the first time tuning into your channel, it's your boy All the Fire 777. Yeah. So as you see, yeah man, 7 Mile Beach here, yeah, walking towards Kimpton Seafire. Yeah, going to get a vehicle. And it's like to 7 now. So it's very early in the morning. Very, very, very early in the morning, peeps. Very early in the morning. I believe that. Yeah. But it's quite nice in the morning here. As you can see, scenery. Oh. No place like the Caribbean, not true. No place like the Caribbean. Yeah. No place like the Caribbean, peeps. So anyhow, walking to get a vehicle to go back down to the 7 Mile Beach, because I'm doing it by the 7 Mile Beach, but it's a good little walk. It's the reason why I don't like really coming in places with too much walking. Long walking, I should say. Yeah, so let's check out the walk. Yeah, so still early, so the lights are still on. Yeah, but you know, nice little scenery. Yeah, nice little scenery. Yeah, so soon go through the forest. Yeah, and this is Uncle Dad. This is my uncle place. This is Uncle Dad place. Yeah. Here and Grand Cayman. Oh, got that. So just imagine a night time. In the night, so it look like this during the day. It's early morning, as I say. Look at this. This look like we are in the Amazon, not true? We just need some lion and some tigers and stuff like that now. But it's quite nice here during the morning. So it's a resort resident. Yeah, so we are going to the residence section. Yeah, so it look nice at 2 peeps. Look at that. Yeah. Nice here in the morning. And then you drive up to the big building and then we're gonna stop recording. Right. Look at that now. big building. Soon check on back anyway. Yes peeps, I'm in my kitchen looking about some saltfish fritters with a different, yeah, this having pumpkin night and stuff like that. So it's quite different. Yeah. And if you look in the kitchen kind of smoky because I'm using coconut oil. You know, coconut oil is like very easy to see like it's gonna burn. Yes, so I bring a lot of smoke. Thanks again to Miss Juliet for this fork here. She bring for me from Florida so that I don't burn myself. So it's tall, it's not small. So I'm gonna turn in here and then I go pick a piece of mint. That's the thing about the Caribbean. You can get mint, bush to boil tea anytime you want. So this is my backyard in the morning here, peeps. What is more beautiful than this? Imagine. Wow. It's looking about breakfast and having this backyard. See my neighbor here, peeps. These are my neighbors. So one of my neighbor. Good morning, neighbor. You come for some breakfast? See my neighbor, peeps. They're looking at me. Yeah. We're going here. I'm gonna run and do some more of my neighbor them over there, peeps. They're sunbathing. Alright. Them love the sun. See them over there. Yeah. That's my neighbors. Sorry about my one, aren't me? Now I'm gonna make me fritters them. Saltfish fritters them burn. Holy smoke. I almost dropped that one on the oil splash on my foot. Yes, babe, so what is it? Turn on the fire low, because high fire don't cook food. What it does, it burn it up. You see it? Look at that. Yeah. So I almost finish it in here. Put in some more. And then I got this piece of mint. So I can get some tea. Because that's all that earlier. My tummy is not feeling so nice. My tummy hurts a bit. So I was gonna eat no breakfast and yeah. So now go in the kitchen here. So I'm gonna use a bit. So a little bit, not too much. Because I'm using one hand. I'm not using no no phone stand or anything, peeps. A little bit like that. A little bit more. So yes, peeps, let's go pick some mint now. Just to get some mint. Yeah. That won't burn by the time we get some mint and come back. So I'm showing the mint tree at the door. We got mint out here, peeps. Sure. We get mint this morning. So this is mint, peeps. This is mint in the Caribbean. So I can always pick mint like that. This is mint. I don't remember what the mint name. I don't remember the name of this mint. So put this down in the fridge and stay there. So when I want, I can get. Is that what I'm saying? Yeah. Should this is my mint, peeps. So let's get back quick in the kitchen before I burn the dumplings. Not dumplings, fritters. Yeah. So we gotta do it wisely to peeps so all them stick on. It is not Yeah. So you know, wait for it to fry completely. For one side be completely brown, you turn it. So in that case, get to fry evenly and slowly. Yeah, what does I say? Yeah, the thing slowly when you're cooking. No ace. No ace. So now, I take a piece of this mint, like that. A piece like that. And let me break it off. Let me cut it off further. Let me cut it with this knife here. I'm using one hand, peeps. Because I'm using the other hand to hold the phone. Because I'm not using the GoPro. I mean, I only can do it like this. Hold on, peep. Yeah, so I got a piece like this. So wash it off. Yeah, put in another pot. That's it. Or you don't have to do it like that. You can boil the water and put on top of it also. Yeah. So let me lit up the stove now. Lit up the stove. Light up the stove. Light up the stove and make it burn down. And that's a little bit of water. I put a little bit more in there. Yeah, that's for me. Yeah, I'm going to use some bacala coconut oil tubes. This is 100% coconut oil. It's not wine, it's coconut. As in coconut from the coconut trees. That's the kind of oil I'm using this morning too. Coconut from the coconut tree. Yeah. I love how this oil, coconut oil smell. I don't know about no vegetable oil. I don't know what kind of vegetable make vegetable oil. So I'm not into vegetable oil. Sometimes you just have to do what you feel like doing too. What makes you feel comfortable. So me might say, oh, I'm eating so healthy and living so healthy. You get what I'm saying? So, but at times you do what make you feel better. Give you a peace of mind. Yeah. So it's not just about say it's healthy. It's about having a peace of mind also. Grandfather there. Peeps. Grandfather. Them big peeps. Wow. Let me take a picture of him. Steady. Yeah. Grandfather. Then huge peeps. Them is the biggest one over there. He's huge. And trust me, a lot of them over there this morning. Over that island, a whole lot of them over there this morning. Seems like them breeding up even more. Yeah. So I'm gonna take out them now, peeps. Them ready now? Them ready now. Let me take them out now. Say to them. And we can get some breakfast and go back on the road. Quick and fast. Quick and fast. And this is sausage fritters with a different speed, as I say. I put pumpkin in this also. People don't normally do it with pumpkin, but you know. Yeah. So yes, peeps, I paused the camera so I could put in the rest of the dumpling in there. Oh, I see I have a visitor this morning too. Hey, what's up? This is the Caribbean peeps. This is all kind of birds, even birds. They're not that wild, you know. Funny. We call this one, I don't know the right name. I guess it's a crow. But in Jamaica we call them a blackbird. But it is a crow. I should say that. Yeah, that's a crow. But we call him blackbird in Jamaica. Because he's black, we say blackbird. That's how Jamaicans say it. And if you're in white, we call him white bird. He makes a lot of noise, so yeah. I'm gonna give him some of my dumpling. So I'm gonna give him some. Okay. Now eat the peeps stunning. Yeah. See me eating now. I'm looking kids them or something. So new peep, stick and stay. Let me get my breakfast ready. Yeah. So I can go back on the road. As I say, my tummy aches. That is not good. No. Yes, peeps, my tea is ready. So I pour out some into the teacup. Like that. So I guess I'll look for just enough tea. And here I have some cane sugar. The Jamaican sugar, and then put a bit in there. Not too much either, not to make it sweet. That is good. That won't make it sweet. And that's how we do it in Jamaica. We get a bottle to throw the sugar into, or a container rather. So here I have a dumpling and I have some left over. So I can carry something on the road with me until I reach home later again. I eat. Yeah. Okay. Yummy. My dumpling is delicious. My saltfish fritters with pumpkin, tomato, and pepper, and sweet pepper. It's yummy. And your peeps, stick and stay. So yes peeps, just had some breakfast and I am back on the road again. Yeah. Heading towards Georgetown. More like on West Bay Road. Yeah. My breakfast was delicious. So I'm heading to get me to do some work now. Yes. Bring my drone with me so I can get some drone footage today. Yeah. As YouTube life ain't easy to monitor doing videos and working. It's tough, but what? No complaining. No time for complaining. Just gotta do it. First peeps, I had to have some breakfast. Trust me, my belly wasn't bellying. If I can say that, but my belly wasn't feeling right, peeps. I felt real messed up. So I had some breakfast and now I am good again. Ready again for the road. I'm so ready, ready for the road, peeps. Yeah. So we're on our way to Georgetown. So stick and stay. So it's a Monday morning, peeps. And we are on the road. Yeah. We're up on the road Monday morning. So it's good when I do my kind of work. You can go home, look up for breakfast and still come back on the road. Continue work. Yeah. And this is the highway. Yeah. This is the highway, peeps. So it's been a wonderful morning so far. It's like after 10 already and the sun is extremely hot already. When I say hot, I mean extremely hot. The sun is sunning. It's already winter here, peeps. In the Grand Cayman. It's winter here. Behind me must be a Jamaican drive, you know, a Jamaican drive like that. Crazy. It's pretty close behind me, waiting for the slightest turn to overtake me, or the slightest opportunity to overtake. Yeah. drive, peeps. I'll almost come all the way over in my lane. So sometimes it's good when you're driving and recording, you know, because some of them really stupid. So we're heading over to Regatta. And always look out for pedestrians. Because pedestrians not always look out for themselves. So you gotta always look out for them, peeps. Over here, nice peeps. Yeah, it's my uncle one over here. My uncle. Yeah, my uncle at Harvard met us yet. Hope one day I will meet him. Yeah. My uncle. Yeah. So let me get a park, peeps. A proper park. Yeah. Let me get a proper park. Yes, I can get some cool shade here. Just a bit of cool shade, not a lot, but gotta work with what I get until I get what I want. Alright, peeps. Proper park. Yeah. So now let me roll up my window because only reason I'm locking my vehicle is because I have my drone inside here, and I consider that to be very valuable to me. I don't want nobody even come near it. Yeah. Eh? What you say? If some put up and get more views. Alright, so sorry peeps, that brother I don't know him inside if they put me thing. Me get more views.
Let me see quality.
Quality? Clean, man. See that? I'm for sure, see that?
iPhone.
iPhone 18 this.
18.
Yes, me have the first iPhone 18 in the world too. Apple make it just for me. Send your peeps, stick and stay. So yes peeps, I'm heading over to Governor Square to do one vehicle, get to a vehicle, bring it over. Yeah, I don't know a vehicle. Did I? Yeah, I think I do that vehicle before, yeah. So and then I head to Crystal Harbor just to do the headlight of another vehicle for the same owner. Yeah, I'm gonna buff it off quick and fast, and then I head back all the way around the airport. Yeah, and I don't know where the deer gonna take me from there. Yeah, so trying to do some videos for your peeps, even though I'm working. So if you don't see me on YouTube, I'm working. Like Portia Simsimila used to say, if you don't see me, I'm just working. Yeah. Not that I'm a PNP or in a JLP, born politics people. But you know, yeah. Yeah, that's working. And actually peeps, trust me, I don't know, but it's like it's already summer here in Grand Cayman. I don't know if you feel it, but it's really hot already, trust me. And today, I don't know why, but this morning I get up on this is the quickest shirt I find. I have more shirt in my bag because I normally walk with 2 or 3 extra shirts. So I have about 2 extra shirts in the bag and 1 more in the van. But I chose to put on a black one because I know the morning it's kind of cool because I leave so early. But then the sun is getting hotter, you know, black and the sun don't work well together. You get what I'm saying? It doesn't work well together. And I also, a while ago, I forgot my GoPro. And I wasn't gonna turn back. Cause with me going somewhere, one thing I hate is turning back. I hate after turn back. Yeah, even if I'm a phone, I don't really want to turn back. I want to go and finish what I'm doing, and then I head back home to get whatever I forget. But normally, there was no need for me to take the GoPro from the vehicle this morning. I don't know why I took it out, but I took it out. I don't know why I took it out. I have to wonder if I leave it in the kitchen or something, but I don't think so, peeps. I think I leave it in the house. Yeah, hopefully I leave it in. I think I leave it in the house. I didn't take it up. Yeah, I just want to be sure. Even though I have another one, because it's always good to have more than one camera when you're recording. You can afford it, so try my best to invest from now. So anyhow, peeps, Yes, peeps. Yeah, we're gonna start up the new machine. Start. See if it start, peeps, cause it's already or anything. Sometimes I don't even know. Well, I didn't say anything cause I don't hear no engine or anything. That's the thing I don't like with vehicles nowadays with hybrid and all of that crap. You start it, you don't hear no engine or anything. Sometimes you can look on the dashboard and you say it's ready or so, but otherwise nothing is there. Police I look at my peeps, so police officer I look at me to see me the camera, the phone on my hand. If you want to race to go over there, so you gotta get a race. Cause you would catch me. The first I see a BMW move so fast. Yes. You watch the movie, peeps. Gone in 60 seconds. That's me. I will be gone in 60 seconds. I didn't realize that I actually have the phone recording and the police then right out there. So which is I'm not going far still. Not a regular thing. Yeah. Yes, peeps. So let's go. What I tell the peeps, BMW here is fast. Quick. From 0 to 100 in 60 seconds. Yeah. Woo. Man. I wonder why people love BMW so, but BMW, you have to make sure you have your money. Yeah. You need to drive a vehicle and not can afford to take care of it. Yeah. Alright, let's park it right here. And until the peeps, the steering, my gosh, you could use 2 fingers or 1 finger to steer it where it is free. Trust me, it's nice. It's nice. So I'm going to vacuum it quick and fast, and then take out the key. I never trust no vehicle to leave the key in there, because first thing BMW I say, it doesn't normally happen that the key lock up in there. First ever happen. Yes, so we're gonna vacuum it now. You know that dirty. Yeah, but you know, need a proper cleaning. So let's deal with it quick and fast. So don't go nowhere. On fire, hold the fire. Stick and stay. I know about more than them, so here go through it. Yeah. Yes, peeps. Don't go nowhere. So yes, peeps. Car is finished now. So let's take it back. Take it all the way back. We get to now, peeps. I'm about to get over Governor Square. Alright. Copyright music. Peeps, should have finished long time, but then I was having a long ass conversation with some other dudes that came by here. I don't want to drive in the water, you know. Let me not drive in the water. But this BMW I drive real sweet. But I say you could take 2 fingers to steer it. Yeah. So going over to Governor Square, peeps, and then we head on back into town. So come on. No, I think I'm heading to Crystal Harbor first. To buff off the car light. Quick. And then I'm heading to town. So over here is also the police training school. So there's a police vehicle over here all the time. Yeah, so let me park this quick and fast. Yes, peeps. Stick and stay, peeps. Don't go. Yes, peeps. Finished with the car. I think I'm heading back to Regatta now. Fly the drone for like 5 minutes. Then I go straight to Crystal Harbor. Yeah. So if it's your first time coming across the channel, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. One fire, all the fire. Love what you do and do what you love. Do it to the best of your ability. That is it, peeps. Yeah. And it don't get any better than this. All the fire coming straight from Grand Cayman, a little island in the Caribbean. Yeah. Just like Jamaica, surrounded by the Caribbean Sea. Yeah, Jamaica is bigger than Cayman still. So when I say just like Jamaica, don't get me. Don't get it wrong. Yeah. So we are in Regatta again. So as I say, I'm gonna fly the drone for like 5 minutes. Get some nice drone footage. And mainly because I hardly get to fly the drone. I'm always busy. Yeah. So this is what Regatta look like. Yeah. This is Regatta. Whew. This is Regatta, peeps. And this is the boy Wildfire 777. Show them how one in front of them. Car wash dudes over here. Yeah. Look at the car wash. How do to this, man? Wait, how do to this? Oh, this. Oh. How do to it? Okay. The hybrid. Yeah. So let's start it out. The headlamp they want clean too. Tell them man, look on the headlamp then. I need to be clean now.
You know, they not like England, they make cheap.
That's England and cheap. We know, man. I love negotiate too. Nothing like you negotiate like them. Show, man. Yes, peeps. Good day here, peeps. As I say, we are by Regatta, so you have 1 car wash bus, 2, 3, 4, and mine made 5. Yeah. Mine make 5, peeps. Yeah, so I could do a little bit of drone flying now. And then I head straight to Crystal Harbor for about, I'm gonna spend roughly about 15 minutes over there, and that's it. I'm not gonna spend too long. Because buffing off a line, headlamp don't take that long. So stick and stay, peeps. Don't go there. And here's a roaster. And this roaster is very fortunate that I don't eat meat anymore. I give him 1 big stone. Yes. And then some dumpling would do good with the brown stew. Just because
Everything that went wrong. Never said goodbye, think I broke your trust. Should've known this all along. Don't wanna be the one that you're trying to avoid. I'm feeling so confused. Why did I act so annoyed? 'Cause I don't wanna be strangers, baby. The next time when we meet, and oh, it dawned on me. Yeah, yes it did. Not letting you go, 'cause what we had was gold. And you gotta know, I was standing on the border. The walls around me kept me safe. I couldn't see that I was shutting you out. I was stuck up and proud, but I'm waking up now. Want you to know that I need you. I'm waking up now. You gotta know that I need you.
So yes, peeps, now we are heading to Crystal Harbor and it's 12 minutes after 12. So I know it's lunchtime, traffic all over the island. So we just gotta keep going. So wherever you sit, a little bit, you're gonna have a little bit of traffic all over now because at lunchtime, people heading for lunch and all of that. Go, go, go. Let's go. Let's go, peeps. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Heading to Crystal Harbor. That is it. So we're turning left onto Pinehurst Road. So this leads you to Crystal Harbor. pass the golf course. Yeah, we're gonna pass the golf course now, peeps. Yeah. Golf is a game that I always want to learn to play. Yeah. Golf course is big. It is big. It's nice. The breeze is cool over here, people. The breeze is so cool. Breeze a blow hard. Sweet. This is nicer than any amount of AC. This natural breeze here, peeps. Yeah, nicer than any amount of AC. Yeah. Because you have so much water and all that too. So the breeze hit the water, it just blow off it cool. No heat. It is just nice. Just nice, peeps. So anyhow, peeps, stick and stay and don't go nowhere. Almost reach. We're almost there. So as I say, I'm gonna spend roughly about 15 minutes over here. Yeah, about 12:15 now. So by 12:35 or so, 15 to 20 minutes, I should say. I want to do my thing fast and leave. Quick and fast, peeps, and leave. Yeah. Quick and fast and leave, peeps. Then I believe in. Yeah, believe in. Like bricks fall off on car or so. And then this is the security gate that I gotta go through. Yeah. So the security where you're going, that is it. So anyway, peeps, stick and stay. So yes, peeps, this is what I'm gonna try to sort out now. So no itching. Let's see what we can do. So this is before. So we're gonna see after how it's gonna look right after I finish doing it. So peeps, let's stick and stay. Don't go nowhere. Yeah. So this is a BMW same too. So don't go nowhere. So yes, peeps, tell me how they look now compared to how they was before. So you look now compared to how it was before. You know, put inside and tell me. To me it's far different now. Yeah. It's like new again. It's just like new again, peeps. Tell me how it is now. So yes, peeps. What am I doing? Leaving over Crystal Harbour now. Finished buffing the car, so we're leaving out. Heading back towards town now. So this is Crystal Harbour. Yeah, so we're heading out again, peeps. So as I say, so it's like, it was like, much again. So I spent nearly 20 minutes there. Yeah, roughly. Because I take my time and did the work properly. Yeah, so we're heading out. So it's a gated community within a gated community. Let's get out of here. You know, some Jamaican construction man I go over here, peeps. You know them I go there. Yeah. So yes, peeps. So this is Crystal Harbour with a nice, you know, boat and stuff over there, so yeah. You Anyway, let's get out of here and continue the work in a town. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Yes, fam. So this is what my day is like on a Monday. It get busy at times. Just gotta work with it because sometimes the rain fall and there is not much work to do. So let's move it. So yes, babes. Same time I'm a full joy them golf and thing. Yeah. So as I say, we're heading into town now. Should have reached a town a long time, but we not reach it. And it's 2-1 now. So anyhow, peeps, stick and stick. So it's peeps, it's been a long, tough Monday. But guess what? I survived. Thank the Lord I survived. So I'm on my way home. It was really a rough day, peeps. The sun come out hot. The sun was sunning today again. It's like summer is saying, I am back, nigga. Yes, peeps. So I'm on my way home now, but a lot of traffic on West Bay Road. So it's like how much? 9 minutes to 6 now. Let me see what time I'm gonna reach. This is how the traffic is on the road. I drive and I realize I must go into the middle lane, fully into the middle lane. So this is traffic on West Bay Road, peeps. Oh my God, and I'm hungry, peeps. I am hungry, family. Yeah, so I am on my way now. It was a rough day, but I survived. I survived. So if it's the first time coming across the channel, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. One fire, all fire. Love what you do and do what you love. Yes, red. Yes, peeps. So hopefully the traffic does go away by the time red light will change to green again. Look here, peeps. Look at me have power. 1, 2, 3. Green light. See? It's actually work, peeps. It actually work. So the traffic that is on West Bay Road is only built up because a lot of these cars are going around to Cayman Bay side. Yeah, and so I go through the bridge here. So I go through the bridge here, remember Uncle Dart. Yeah. Make me feel like they are foreign. Yeah, foreign bridge. Big up yourself, Uncle Dart. Yeah. Now always I go hear me say this. I drive through the bridge. Yes, peeps, a lot of traffic built up only because a lot of these vehicles going around the roundabout and heading towards Cayman Bay. So, but otherwise, by the time I reach up on the highway, see, traffic there, so by the time I reach up to the highway, there will be no traffic really heading back into West Bay, my side of the island. You know, West is best. West is the best. Yeah. So you know, peeps, stick and stay, catch on the back when I'm home in West Bay, my home. Don't go nowhere. So yes, peeps, we are back in West Bay. So I took the highway because I knew I would meet traffic down there, so I took the highway. Yeah, we still have sun in West Bay same way. Even though the sun is almost set in town. West Bay we have the sun, babes. We got sun here. But the sun beautiful. The sun is just beautiful. Look at that. Just look at that, babes. The sun not set yet. Roughly in about 25 minutes the sun will set. One of them evening here, I got to go watch the sunset. I haven't done that in a while now. Yeah, but the sun is just beautiful. I love it. The sun is beautiful, babes. You know, peeps, stick and stay. So yes, peeps, it's been a long day and about all fire 777 just reach home. Yeah, just reach home back, peeps. From morning till evening, yeah. So you go. Just for now, because I'm planning on retiring early. I'm planning on retiring at 25 and I'm 23 now. But there's 2 more years left for retirement, peeps. Yeah. So thank you all for watching and liking and sharing and commenting and subscribing. Yeah. And if you're not subscribed yet, what are you waiting on? So tell a friend, tell a friend. And remember, do unto others as you want them to do unto you. You get what I'm saying? And love and more love. So until next video, peeps. Peace out. Tired. I gotta look some food now. That is
Baby, I'll bring you right back home. And oh, it dawned on me. Yeah, yes it did. Not letting you go, 'cause what we had was golden. You gotta know, I was standing on the border. The walls around me kept me safe. I couldn't see that I was shutting you out. I was stuck up in pride. I'm waking up now. I'm staying in bed thinking back on us and everything that went wrong. Never said goodbye, think I broke your trust. Should've known this all along. Don't wanna be the one that you're trying to avoid. I'm feeling so confused, why did I act so annoyed? 'Cause I don't wanna be strangers, baby. The next time when we